Welcome guys, today I am with Motorola Sonic Boost 220 wireless speaker, and I'm gonna show you how easy you can pair it with your laptop, PC, Windows 11 or Windows 10. So at first you have to remember to charge it at least to the 50%, and another step, click and hold the power button.
Hello Moto.
Right now we can release. As you can see, this indicator is blinking quickly. It means that the device is in the pairing mode, so we can put it back. And right now on our device, on our laptop or PC, we have to simply open the main settings. Next, we have to go for the left side for the Bluetooth and devices. Turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. And then we have to click to add a device. Select Bluetooth. And go for your Sonic Boost 220 from Motorola. Click on it once. As you can see right now we are successfully connected, and that's how you can make it. So yeah, the last thing that you can check, it will be in the sound settings. So we can go back, we can open the sound, and you have to be sure that you successfully switch from internal speaker to the external device. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.